Hello everyone and welcome back to the course, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the best email providers on the deep web or the dark net as it's so called. So there are about four email providers that I think will perform exceptionally well for really any purpose you have in mind. And basically you might be asking yourself, why do I need an email address on the dark net or the deep web? Well, the question is, why not? Why shouldn't you have one? First of all, it's amazing for communication because it's going to be anonymous and there's literally no tracking whatsoever. There's no Google Analytics tracking, basically tracking how many emails you send a day, or nor is there basically file scanning on basically attached files that you could be scanning. But those are just some of the advantages of using an email on the deep web or the dark net. So let's actually get started. By the way, the links will be in the resources folder for each of these videos that actually contain links. So basically the first one is called Proton Mail. Now Proton Mail is also on the clear web, but it does exceptionally well on the deep web or the dark net as well. So here it is, and you can basically just log in or create an account. Now you might be asking yourself, why should I select Proton Mail? Well, basically, as you can already see, it's gone to the clear web sign up, and if we basically just temporarily allow scripts on this site, it should this is already on the clear web, so there's really no risk. You can select your account type. Some of its packages do need a payment. Now there's the free version, which is a basic account with limited features. The secure email with advanced features basically has these advantages right here, up to 1,000 messages a day. And you might be asking yourself, well, why can't I just use normal email for my communication? Well, that's also good. That's a good argument, but with Proton Mail, as it says, Proton Mail is a free service for the public good. You can support online privacy by selecting a paid account. Your contribution helps us basically develop Proton Mail as a free and open source software. So basically the packages, the payment packages are just to support them in development. Now you might be asking yourself, what security do they use? And they use end-to-end encryption. So that basically on its own is the best, and you can go through all of this. Really, you can basically have a look at how it works and why they basically why you should sign up with them. But that's basically it for Proton Mail. I won't get into too deep into that. Again, it's all about personal preference. You can basically make your decision out of Proton Mail and the others that we're going to be looking at. The second one is Torbox, the Tor mailbox. Now this is more in line with what I would use, and basically if we go to the welcome menu, it's going to say welcome to Torbox. This is a hidden mailbox service only accessible from Tor. So there's no clear web version. There is no connection between Torbox and the public internet. All messages are sent and received with Torbox. Alright, so just sign up for a new Torbox and start sending and receiving email within Tor. Alright, pretty cool. So you can basically just sign up for an account right here, and it is free. So you can basically enter your nickname, your email address, name, password and captcha, and basically add your mailbox. Might be asking yourself, why is this so cool? Well, for me, I've used a Torbox before. I just love its simplicity. It's really easy to create. It's an account, and it's the mailbox is very simple. You can give people your email address over the deep web and you can communicate with them. And I might be asking yourself, what type of security do they use? Well, basically, this is the standard email system. Communications between you and the server to MTA transport are encrypted as they are established within the Tor network. So basically, your messages are already encrypted because they are traveling through the Tor relay. Basically, what it offers you is a mailbox and an email address and webmail access through Squirrel Mail. So pretty good package, and it's free, absolutely free. So this is one of my personal favorites. I would actually recommend this for beginners. The next one is Bitmessage. Now Bitmessage has been there for quite a while now, and very simple website. I think this is done in basic HTML. You can basically register, you can set up FAQ, frequently asked questions, and basically what Bitmessage is a gateway that will basically to connect Bitmessage with an email without the need of any software. So it allows you the Bit message network the same way you use email today. So it's completely free, no advertisements anywhere, no tracking. So all of these really good features. In terms of registration, you have your setup guide right here, which we will look at briefly. So basically this website uses JavaScript to protect email addresses. If you read this text, you have JavaScript disabled. In this case, replace all hashes with a document, blah blah blah. So this is really just an advanced Bit message email client, really advanced. It's a very good service, but I would not recommend this for beginners. And really this is something you would get into when you're moving into, like, when you're using many email addresses. For example, you create a website on the deep web and you want to use many email addresses. This is the service you would use because it's more of a mail gateway. Now the last one, which is also a very good one, is Mail2Tor. Alright, now Mail2Tor has a very good website. So it's an anonymous email service provider. It's a free anonymous email service to protect your privacy. Alright, so it allows anyone to send and receive mail anonymously via webmail or email client. You will need to have the Tor browser installed on your computer to access Mail2Tor. So it only works on the deep web or the darknet. Now it's a very simple website, and you basically just go about it by registering for an account. It's a bit of a slow website, but it's very good service nonetheless. So again, very simple registration, username, password, confirm your password. It has a captcha, and you can submit your query. You can then log in and then access your mailbox and send and receive email addresses, emails really, not email addresses. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are basically I think the best email providers on the deep web right now, and hopefully you can find one that you like and one that you will hopefully be using for a long time to come. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Just to remind you, the links are going to be in the resources folder if you want to access any of these links. Anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know in the Q&A section of the course. Thank you so much for watching.